Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe, thank you. Okay, so I know I've said that the previous video was the last one I post, but I have 3 brand new sneaker brands for me and I want to complete the playlist I've been working on. Also, I already have the footage to share. These next 3 videos are going to be of my impressions on 3 Chinese brands. These are all running sneakers with a carbon plate, which I'm wearing casually. So if you're one of these asshole runners who's offended by it, my advice to you is simple.
Go suck my fat cock!
This is the Xtep 360X, a pretty sick and affordable shoe for which I've only paid 73 euros. But stick around because the next 2 shoes are even more affordable. So I've been wearing these for more than 50 kilometers and this is how they look. And this is my classic review with things I don't like and like. The first thing I don't like, there's no pronation prevention. I really don't get why it's so hard to make the midsole smaller towards the outside of the heel. After about 10 kilometers of walking, these start to feel like they sink in, which is really not good. I can literally feel the carbon plate when pressing on the sides like this. This fake 2-part midsole design is kind of whack. The tongue was too long, so I've customized it a bit. And I'm really over this type of fake-ass boost midsole material, but at least these have a different texture. And finally, these dickwads refused to send me shoes because I don't have enough subscribers. It's all good though. I really like the price I've paid, which proves again that the big companies are just ripping you off. The overall design is still nice. These look quite good on feet and from far away. They are really comfortable, so I'm sure they are great for running. The build quality is incredible. There are no glue stains, no creases, no weird sounds. The sock liner and padding are just sick, so soft and squishy, no doubt top 5 in my 200 pairs of sneakers. And actually all the materials used are really good. I love the structure and the harder toe cap, the breathability is quite good. And finally I just love the glittery logo. I don't really care, I will actually use glitter in some of my future sneaker customs. So this is a sick and underrated sneaker for a great price, which you should get because they are still available. Let me know what you think if you have any questions and thank you for watching.